Hey there, it's Jodie Stanley. I'm from Fired Up Central. Just a quick update. People wanted to be notified when the smoothie recipe book was completed, and I've got the privilege of letting you know it has been. Why are smoothies a good choice? Smoothies can be a good choice because they offer hydration and nutrition, and they're quick, easy, and simple, and you can add a variety of different ingredients, and it's a good way to get a lot of fibre in. A lot of people swear by juices, but look, who's got time for juices? I absolutely understand there are benefits of juicing, but as a full-time working mum with 4 kids and a husband, I don't have time to be cleaning up a juicer. I use my NutriBullet to blast vegetables and fruit and liquid, and possibly a bit of protein and fats, and it's a whole meal in a drink. And yeah, it's a liquid meal, so it's helpful. It's helped me, so I'm hoping to help you. So that's why I did the recipe book, to share with others. So if you're interested, I will send you a link, and hopefully you can enjoy and share. Feel free to experiment. Once you've got the base ideas of what's needed in a smoothie, you can change it up according to your taste. My husband, he loves ginger in his. I forget to add ginger, and it does make it zesty and great, but it's not probably something you'd want to do every day, otherwise you'd get bored of it. Let me know what your favourite ingredients are, or maybe what you've tried and what we should maybe steer clear of too. Yeah, because that's always good. We're here to learn and share, so feel free to comment and let me know.